3 is ELEGOO Mars 3 MSLA 3D printer. The ELEGOO Mars 3 MSLA 3D printer is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts and professionals who require top-notch printing accuracy and faster printing speeds for their miniature creations. Its 6.66-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 40982560px delivers outstanding printing precision and a remarkable printing speed of 1.5-3s per layer. The printer's upgraded COB UV light source is a notable feature that offers uniformity of over 90% and enhances heat dissipation efficiency by 50%. The Z-axis solid liner guide structure provides increased stability and accuracy of 0.001 mm for better print quality. The sandblasted build plate offers a more robust adherence that helps prevent models from falling off during printing. The Mars 3 comes with CHITUBOX Pro Slicing Software for free for 1 year, and it has a 1-year warranty for the entire printer, excluding the 4K LCD, FEP Film, and tool kit. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 3 MSLA 3D printer is a premium quality and reliable 3D printer that meets the needs of professionals seeking an efficient and high-quality 3D printer for their miniature printing needs. If you are interested in the ELEGOO 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.